Some people earn good money but remain financially unstable. There are people earning 500k monthly and they are still stressed, while there are people earning 150k monthly and they are stable. You need to understand that the difference is not always income, it is habits. Hi, my name is Adewumi Ogeni. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are talking about money habits that keep people broke. Stay with me and watch to the end. Habit number 1, no budget structure. Without a spending plan, money flows towards emotion instead of intention. You need to understand that a budget does not restrict you, it directs you. And direction prevents streets. So have a budgeting structure today. You want to check out my previous video on how to budget. Habit number 2, normalizing debts for lifestyle. Using loans to fund non-essential lifestyle causes long-term financial strain. Debt should be strategic, not emotional. Because even when you're taking loan for a business, you need to be strategic about it. If not, you will run at a loss. Debt should be strategic, not emotional. Because comfort purchased on credit often becomes stress later. Habit 3, ignoring emergency funds. We all know that in Nigeria, unexpected expenses are not rare. Medical bills, family responsibilities, and unexpected repair can happen at any time. An emergency fund converts panic into convenience. Habit 4, surrounding yourself with financial reckless influences. We know that our environment shapes our behavior. So if your cycle normalizes constant spending and mock savings, you will struggle to stay disciplined. Choose the people around you carefully. Choose your friends wisely. Make sure that the people you associate with are like-minded and they are financially literate. Habit 5, refusing to think long-term. Short-term thinking keeps people reactive, while long-term thinking builds structure. Investments, skill development, and business systems require patience. One thing is for sure, wealth is rarely loud in its early stage. You need to give it time for it to be able to confidently say, I have arrived. So your money habits defines your financial destiny more than your income does. We've come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment down below. I'll see you on my next one. Mwah.